To create a product in WooCommerce, we can navigate to the products menu and just click all products, and it will allow you to hit create product or add new. If we hit create product, we can create a product name. I'm going to dismiss this. I'm going to dismiss this notice. I mentioned the SSL certificate, which would make our site secure, but also give us an HTTPS connection. But I'm going to dismiss that. And I'm going to also dismiss the cancel thumbnail regeneration for the time being. So I'm going to type in the product name here, and I can see my permalink is starting to populate. So I'm going to do Coldplay Parachutes Vinyl. Parachutes album vinyl, something like that. And then I'm going to go to my product image down here to add my product image. So it's really important that we add those product images. You don't want to have just a blank image. Wouldn't really sell your product. I'm going to go to downloads, and I've got a couple here picked out already. So I'm going to do this one and click open. And hit set product image or set featured image. So Coldplay Parachutes album vinyl. And we want to make sure that we put in our pricing and sales price information if we want to. I'm going to say this is $19.99. And if we wanted to add a sale price, we could do that. We could say it's on sale for $17.99, so not too big of a discount. We want to say it's taxable. Now, if we had a virtual or downloadable product, we would select that, but we don't need to do that. And then I'm going to go over here to inventory. I could assign an SKU number or SKU or stock keeping unit. I could say this is CP1, right? So Coldplay Album 1. If I wanted to, we could do enable stock management at a product level. This is perfect for physical products. Let's say I only have 5 of these. I could allow a back order or any of these options. I'm going to select do not allow. And I'm going to say low stock threshold. And we could say at 2, we have low stock. We could also say that this could only be bought individually with nothing else in their cart, but I'm not going to do that. Next, I'm going to hit save draft because I don't want to lose any of my progress. I want to put in the weight, and let's say it's 12 ounces, and the length and width and height is 12 feet, 12 inches, 12 by 12. And that's feet, so I'll say 1 by 1. And no shipping class. Linked products, we could put other products in there, but we don't. This is our first product. Okay, so for attributes, we can put something like collector's edition. Say rare yellow vinyl reissue. And hit save attributes. So we've got collector's edition on there, and want to make sure we have good grammar too. And then over here we have advanced. We could do a purchase note, a menu order, enable reviews. I'll keep enable reviews on, but I'm not going to mess with these other two. And then we want to do a project. Then we want to do a product short description. So I could say celebrate Coldplay's first album with the 20th anniversary release on collectible yellow vinyl. And then graphic designers, web designers can't spell, so that's why we use Grammarly. I could put in a whole bunch of things here. I could add more media if I wanted to, but I'm going to keep that simple. You might be inclined to put it more of a description up here, but I'll show you why in a moment. And it really depends on your theme, whether or not you need to put your description here or down here. And then category, I'm going to click add new category, and I'm going to say vinyl, and click add new category. I'm going to unselect uncategorized because you never want to leave anything or select anything as uncategorized. Product tags, I'm going to say Coldplay. And we could add a gallery to the product image where there'd be multiple images for them to select. But I don't have multiple images, so I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to hit publish. So we're ready for this to go. It's going to go in our shop, and it will be visible in search results as well. So we see here it created a link. And this is awesome for our search engine optimization. So if someone Googles Coldplay Parachutes album vinyl, hopefully they can find it. So if I just open this link in a new tab, we can view our product. Now, I've got this site set up. Somebody could actually come on here and buy this. Not that I have this to ship, but they could. But we can see here that it's on sale. If I turn that off, it would just display $19.99, but it has that short description here. So that's why I didn't fill out that other area. That's why I didn't fill out this big area, because it would put it down here in the additional information. So if I were to just, for sake of example, copy this and then paste this right here and hit update, it puts a description down here, which is fine. It opens up that new tab. But you want to put your short description with all the information there that you want. And I can see SKU is CP1, category vinyl, Coldplay is the tag. So if I add this, it can actually add it to my cart, right? And it pulls up my cart. Now, we created this and installed WooCommerce, so we don't have any information up here about our shop or the cart. So we got a little bit of work to do on that. But we can see it's geolocating me outside of DC, so it did that automatically. But we could apply a coupon code if we had a coupon code. We can see here is our flat rate of shipping and our total, and I could proceed to checkout. So we've got a basis of a store here. Now, it's important to, whenever you do a physical product, that you always include the weight of the product, because otherwise it won't let customers check out. It'll let you publish the product, but it won't let you check out. So you got to be very mindful of that aspect. So next we're going to work on adding our navigation elements and the subsequent pages that were created when we installed WooCommerce and a shopping cart to our menu navigation.